Attorney, pwede bang makasuhan ang taong nagbenta ng lupa kahit hindi naman pala sa kanya? Yes, pwede. Hey guys, my name is Attorney Maaf. I'm a full-time litigation lawyer and part-time professor, and I explain legal concepts in an easier manner to help you know your rights. Okay, ito kasi yan. Under Article 316 of the Revised Penal Code, may tinatawag na other forms of swindling. Kasama dito ang sitwasyon na may taong nagpapanggap na owner ng real property, tapos ibebenta, isasanla, or i-uncumber, kahit hindi naman talaga yun sa kanya. So, hindi lang ito simpleng breach of trust, no? Pwede itong criminal case of estafa. And this is what buyers should look out for, no? Yung akala nila valid yung bentahan dahil may permahan or may down payment na. Pero, kung hindi naman talaga owner yung seller, or yung seller did not have the right or the authority to sell it to you, then the said seller may be liable for the crime of estafa. If this happened to you, you may share your story in the comment section below para hindi na maloko yung iba. Ciao!